What's that awful smell creeping through the air? Oh no, run away. Why is it always my fart that's so bad? But what if my fart was sweet? Friends would laugh and say so neat. Maybe they come and sit by me. Should I eat a bunch of yams? Drink yogurt, make some plans?